Warm welcome to all. We have come up with the smartest product from QUFEX called Smart Doorbell. This product comes with the best 8 features, comes with the best packing along with 2 years warranty. We have yet another device comes along with this product, which is mainly for producing the ring. With 6-month battery backup is making us wonder. Yes, we can use this wire-free installation device as indoor as well as outdoor. We can keep this device outside the door or inside your home. Device can connect with Wi-Fi easily. Device can easily fix it with a screw or sticker. The people who download the application called Wowcam and press on the device, they can be communicate and see anywhere from any part of the world. Device comes with a night vision support and zooming facility and mobile phone is creating us highly smart. By pressing the button on the above side of the device, you can attend the call and communicate like as in a video call. This application can be used both in Android and iOS. The camera feature comes with 180-degree wide angle. Yes, this device is something innovative and a must-buy product with 2-year warranty.